In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Figma with GitHub. This integration can really streamline your design workflow by allowing you to track issues directly within your design files. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The first step is to open your project. Go ahead and log in to your Figma account and navigate to the design file you want to integrate with GitHub. Once you have that open, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, we need to access the plugins. Look towards the top toolbar of your Figma window. You'll see an action button, which usually looks like a little play icon. Click on that and then select Plugins and Widgets from the drop-down menu. This is where all the magic happens, so hang tight as we dive deeper. In the plugin menu, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and click into that and type GitHub. You should see a few results pop up in no time, but what you want is the official GitHub plugin. It's specifically designed for this type of integration, so make sure to choose that one. Once you've found it, just click on it to proceed. After selecting the plugin, you're ready to initiate the import process. Within the plugin interface, look for a button that says Import Issue. Click on that button when you're ready. This will set off the process to link your GitHub issues directly into your Figma workspace. But hold on, you'll need to authorize this connection. A prompt will appear asking for permission to access your GitHub account. Go ahead and click Allow Access. This step is crucial because it's what enables the integration to take place. Once you click, you'll be redirected to a GitHub page. Here, you'll need to authenticate your account and confirm the integration. Just follow the steps laid out on that page, and before you know it, you'll be back in Figma. Once you've completed the authentication process successfully, the real fun begins. You'll see that your design tasks in Figma are now linked to your GitHub repositories. This means that you can start tracking issues directly from your design file. Imagine being able to see tasks, bugs, or any updates alongside your design elements. It's a game changer for collaboration between designers and developers, and that's the basic flow. You've now integrated Figma with GitHub, making your workflow a lot smoother. No need to switch back and forth between platforms. Everything you need is in one place. So, to recap, open your project in Figma, access your plugins, find the official GitHub plugin, import your issue, authorize the app, and voila! You're ready to start tracking tasks right in your design file. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this integration helps elevate your design workflow and improves your team's efficiency. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips and tricks.